Mumtazi, Rahul Gandhi is visiting Gujarat. Clearly, he's not impressed with the state leadership. He said that half of my leaders are actually working for the BJP, and if it takes taking them out like 15, 20, 30, 40, I will take that decision. How do you see the current status of Gujarat Congress at this point of time?
See, a lot of people, whether it's in Gujarat or anywhere else, for their own personal reasons, have left the Congress party because they see greener pastures elsewhere. There are a lot of people in the Congress party who are sitting in very comfortable positions, which works for them here, but then they are working with the BJP, and that is the biggest weakness that we have. So it is up to the High Command to identify those people and make sure that they are not in a position of taking decisions, because these are the people, the ones who are compromised are taking decisions. They're the ones who are deciding on which candidates to fight. They are the ones who decide. You have to see, forget Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, you have to see what happens in the local body, how they are compromised with the BJP, that the nominations will not be filed on time. BJP makes sure that the red lights are, red only, so that a candidate does not reach on time to file a nomination paper. Now this happens when you're compromised also, So there are a lot of issues, but there was nobody to send the right feedback or give the right feedback to Rahul ji. Now that Rahul ji has taken Gujarat very seriously and he has taken direct feedback. Yesterday he did from the district presidents, from the block presidents, spoke to all the karyakartas, and people were very happy. I spoke to a lot of them and they were very happy that RG said that मैं नहीं बात करूंगा, आज आप सब बोलेंगे, and he heard everyone patiently, and I think today's speech was a result of that feedback, and now we are hoping that beyond the speech we see action on the ground.
Do you think that this is a new phenomena that some people are compromised, or this has been the status of Gujarat Congress for quite some time, and the top leadership was just not giving due attention to this?
See, when he said this about ki babbar sher chain se bane hai, it's also the circumstances. Maybe a lot of people don't want to be compromised, but majboori hai. Like how it's a matter of survival. Dealing with the BJP is not easy. Like I said, a small worker will lose a job. See, they're not earning anything out of working for the Congress party because there's nothing to earn, right? But they have to survive in their real life. Their livelihoods all depend on the kind of work business that they do. And the BJP is ruthless, the BJP is vicious. But given the right support, and if the party is there to handle things on time, I'm saying coming from the top leadership, state or center, then these workers will remain loyal and stay with you.
Thank you. Thank you for speaking with us. With Lokinder, this is Rahul Gautam reporting for India Today.